So today is March the 10th, and this is the second day of recording the progress. And it does seem like definitely there is progress here. Yesterday, actually, this one had nothing coming out. And you could see that we have some sprouts here. And I do believe that these are onions. Yes, these are onions. Actually, the one next to it, there's a little one, the green one there, but obviously these can be seen clearly on the next ones. And I did mention before, I did ended up throwing few seeds in each cup with the guess that some seeds actually will just kind of like just disappear. So I'm very pleased actually. If you look at it, there are a lot of seeds here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 at least. The ones that I'm able to count, which is a really good number. And then if you look at the other seeds, which obviously are different plants, I believe this is broccoli right here, and these guys kind of like started to kind of like get into each other's space. So I don't think I'm going to move them anytime soon. I'm just gonna let them be, and eventually we'll actually start seeing which ones are the strongest ones, and if they do show a kind of like potential to grow, I'm going to pull them out and put them in their individual cups. And this is the other side. I think tomatoes. These are the tomato plants. This guy here is the eggplant. This guy here is the eggplant. I'm not seeing anything coming out. And I really hope that something would come out so I can compare it to other seeds. But here's my theory. It might be taking the eggplant seeds a little bit longer compared to the other ones. Because actually, if I have the ones are kind of like surrounding this cup, showing nothing. So I'm thinking these are the same seeds, which are the eggplant seeds. It's taking them a little bit longer. Obviously, the beans are also starting to sprout. Right here, I have 3 here. I have 1, 2, and 3. And again, these I believe are the tomato seeds, and I might possibly have actually, yeah, I think I have 4 beans here, and the rest are the tomatoes. And I think I planted 2 varieties of tomatoes. Peppers also seem to be probably I'm thinking I have the same issue here. I wouldn't call it an issue, but maybe it's just it might be taking a little bit longer, just like the eggplants for the seeds to sprout. So I'm gonna just continue to keep an eye on these, and we'll see. But I think things are looking pretty good so far. This is an overview. Again, this area here I think is the eggplant, and then I hope that they will eventually sprout. But that's my theory, that I might be dealing with a combination of, I'm thinking this guy goes here and kind of like around here where I have my eggplants and peppers. But we'll see. Well, I'm keeping an eye on them. Then I have a few there that are showing no sign of anything coming through. So we'll see. And maybe they are buried too deep, because what I did is I ended up putting the, a little bit of the starting mix, and then I put my seeds and then put more of the mix. So it's either I ended up putting too much on the seeds, that probably is going to take them longer, or they naturally take a little bit longer compared to the other seeds. But nevertheless, regardless of what I might have in these empty cups, I do have actually a lot of other seeds that I'm planning to plant. So if nothing shows, I'll just put some seeds in put more mix on top and try different varieties. So we'll see.